Hey friends, if you encounter the error where Microsoft Edge freezes or crashes when opening a PDF, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So it's not very difficult. Open Microsoft Edge, click on these three dots at the top right corner, and then you can select extensions and go to manage extensions. So if you find any extension here, first try disabling it. If that helps, then just remove the extension. Click on remove and remove once again. The second one is to clear the cache and cookies in the browser. So click on these three dots at the top right corner, select history. Click on the bin symbol here. Make sure that the time range is selected at all time. Click on clear now. And the last one is to reset edge. Click on these three dots and then you can select settings from the menu. Go to reset settings on the list on the left hand side. Select reset settings to default values in the right pane and select reset. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.